Namaste, beloved friends. This is the summer time and we need something cooling. So, today in this video, I am going to give you 5 different pranayam. By practicing these pranayam, you will get the cooling effect. They are called cooling pranayam. So, first I will tell you the benefits, then limitation, and then I will tell you the how you can do these practices. So, the benefit of these practices, as you know, the summertime, the body heat increase. So, these pranayama cooling down the body heat. And if you are more pitta dominant, more the mind is more active, you are thinking more, and you can't sit for the meditation. So these pranayama will help you to balance, calming down the mind, and this giving the very soothing effect. When you practicing this pranayamas, the 5 pranayamas, your body will feel calm down, relax. You will feel like peace, fullness, and just you will feel the relaxation of the mind. Very effective, amazing practice of these pranayamas. Another benefit of this pranayama is you will feel like it's working on your whole body. From the deeper level of the cells. This pranayamas work because you are inhaling and feeling the breath, and by inhaling and feeling this energy, this movement of the energy, you will feel the soothing effect of these pranayamas. So these are the effect. Now limitation, and if you are feeling the cough, cold in the winter season, if you are the kapha prakriti, you try not to avoid these practices, and these practices, and you can avoid if the you are feeling after food. Don't try to do these practices, at least 2 hour gap after the food. So morning is the best time, and try to find out some good place, some some nature around, some tree or something, like not inside the room, or you can practice inside the room, but it's more beneficial when you practice outside. You will get more oxygen, more calming down effect of these practices. So yeah, these are the limitation and the benefit of these practices. Now we will start the practice. So first is the pranayam is the kaki mudra. So making just like a crow shape. So rolling the tongues like this, and you have to inhale from the mouth, then close the mouth, hold the breath for 10 seconds only, then exhale from the nose, mouth close and exhale out from the nose. And remember one thing, when you practice these pranayamas, close eyes and feel that the cooling sensation, cooling air is going inside and all the body heat is removing out. So you are inhaling the cool air, feel the sensation of the coolness inside your mouth, inside your windpipe. So as you inhale, while making this kaki mudra, just look at my lips. So inhaling, close mouth, then exhale. So this is the first round, and try with the 9 round. Start each pranayam with 9 round. This kaki mudra pranayam 9 round. Then second pranayama we will practice. This is called Sitli pranayam. For this pranayama you take the tongue out and now fold the tongue like B shape, and now inhale. Close the mouth, hold the breath for 5 to 7 seconds, then exhale from the nose. Again, awareness on the cooling sensation. So again, look at me. I'm taking the tongue out, then rolling the tongue, then inhaling. Then holding and exhaling. This is the second pranayam, the Sitli pranayam. And then we will practice the Sitkari pranayam. For this Sitkari pranayama, you fold the tongue back like this. I fold the tongue back side, and then between the lips. You have to inhale from the mouth. You will feel the cool air is going, feeling the sensation inside. Again hold the breath. Then exhale from the nose. One more time. Inhaling. No, first roll the tongue backside. Then from the mouth inhale. Close the mouth and exhale out completely from the nostril. And in these practices of the pranayam, try to bring the breathing from the abdomen and then chest. Full breathing, not just from the chest. Try to breathe the abdomen and chest. Whole area of the lungs will work on this pranayama, not a single part of the lungs. So try to maintain the full awareness of the breathing. So this was the third pranayama, the Sitkari pranayama. Okay. Now this is the fourth pranayama we are going to practice. Is called Sadanta. So now you bring your both front teeth together like this, bringing the front teeth together, then inhaling again from the mouth. Feel the cool air is going inside, you are relaxing, calming down, then exhaling, close the mouth, hold the breath for 5 to 7 seconds, then exhale out from the nose. Again look at me, be careful, close the mouth, open the mouth, not closing mouth, and bring both the teeth, front teeth together and inhaling. Hold the breath for 5 to 7 seconds and exhale out. Each pranayama you have to practice 9 round. Okay, and then this is the fourth pranayama. Now we will do the last fifth pranayama. This is the Chandra Anulom Vilom. So for this you will make this mudra, folding the index and the middle finger, and with the help of the thumb close the right nostril, and now we have to inhale and exhale only from the left nostril. Okay, inhaling deeply from the left nostril. You can make the other hand in the Gyan Mudra, placing the touching the index finger and tip of the thumb. This placing on your knee, inhaling and exhaling only from the left nostril only, and try to feel the awareness. Like if you are inhaling the cool air, the cool breath is going inside and your body is relaxed, calming down, all the heat energy is removing out when you exhale. So you have to feel each practice of the pranayama, you have to bring the feeling also, not without the feelings, then you will get more effect. Okay, so closing the right nostril, inhaling from the left, then exhaling from the left. So deep inhaling from the abdomen and chest, slow and deep breathing. And yeah, one more important point, try to inhale as slow as possible, not very fast. Try to inhale slow and deep, deep as possible, as slow as possible, then the effect will be more. So inhaling from the left, then hold the breath for 5 to 7 seconds, then exhale completely out from the left nostril only. Okay, so one more time I will remind you all the pranayam. First was the Kaki Mudra, this. Second was the Sitli, taking the tongue out, rolling the tongue. Then Sitkari, rolling the tongue back. Then Sadanta. Then Chandra Anulom Vilom, left nostril breathing. So according to the yogic test, if you practice this cooling pranayam, you will become like a Kamdev. You will feel this energy of the vitality in your body, in your brain, in your mind, in your whole part of the body. You will feel this energy of the vitality, the energy of the Kamdev, the Lord of the love. So try practicing this pranayam. This will, in this summer, they are very effective pranayam practice. So cooling down the body, heat will go out and you will feel relaxed and cool down. So try to practice in your day-to-day life. Try to bring the love and awareness. Try to laugh more, try to celebrate more, try to dance, try to sing, try to enjoy the life, all the pain, all the suffering. You can just transform them into the blessings, into the happiness, into the joy, into the love. So everything is inside us. Try to bring the habit to practice this yoga, pranayam, meditation in your day-to-day life. Then your life will change, it will transform, you will feel the difference before and after. So thank you. Love you all. Take care and enjoy this cooling pranayam. Enjoy this summer. Enjoy this water. I am here near this beautiful mountain. It's amazing place. So bye bye. I will meditate here for a while. Take care.